Hi, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show the graphic card I just bought online, which is Colorful GT1030. The Colorful brand is a lesser known brand compared to the brands like MSI, Asus or Gigabyte. But a little search from the internet shows that it is quite a big brand in China itself. And I've read so many reviews that recommends this brand, which is kind of lesser known, but it's quite cheaper. Currently, the price of the graphic cards in the market is kind of crazy. The prices of the graphic cards of the known brands are so expensive. Makes you think, why not just get a graphic card like the Colorful brand graphic card that is a lesser known brand like this Colorful, and it's a little easier to the pocket. So today I'm going to show you the walkthrough of the installation of this graphic card. Let's go. Colorful GeForce GT 030. Colorful GT1030 graphic card is installed. It doesn't require any additional power plug in. This is Colorful GT1030. Has one VGA port and one HDMI port. Go to Colorful website and download the drivers. Alternatively, you can also download the drivers from NVIDIA website under drivers. After you install the driver, go into Device Manager. Under Display Drivers, you can see NVIDIA GeForce GT 1030. Double click on it and you can see NVIDIA GeForce GT 1030. This device is working properly. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you find this useful. Bye bye.